Good job, Oscar. Good job, buddy. Good job, Gabriel. You got it.
There was only 3 little pieces of it. We can play with the dogs too. Mommy.
That's fine.
Mommy.
That's good for them.
Mommy. Oscar, Oscar. Get Ron. I like playing this. You can pass away.
So you come to wipe it on me.
No.
Thanks, bud.
No, I'm trying to give you a hug. Trying to give you a hug. You can pop the ball.
It's already popped. That's why I gave it to him.
The pole?
Yeah, it's one we found in the backyard when we moved in. It was probably the other dog's. So that's why you can pick it up in his mouth, because it's already missing some of its air. If it was fully inflated, they probably wouldn't be able to pick it up like that. That's why you can't pick up the other one.
That's so funny. Get off of me. There's a bee on me. Mama,
Yeah?
there's a bee on me.
Well, I'm glad you didn't freak out. You might have made it sting you.
Nope. That's so funny. Okay.
All right, Robbie, let me see your ball. Did you get a ball too?
Let's see, Robbie. Let's see. Let's see, Robbie. Can I see it? Robbie. Fetch. Get boy.
Whoopsie. He's like, I did something wrong. I feel wet. Did I just step in the water, guys?
Yeah, you. It's fine. It's fine, boy.
It's like, that scared me. No, you may not drink my coffee again.